It is a good moment to reflect about the past and the future. The world of work today is not the same as it was 75 years ago. I have no doubt that these are questions that will be debated at this Congress. This is also at the center of the ILO Future of Work initiative, in preparation of the ILO's 100th anniversary next year. The aim of the Future of Work is to reflect about the fast-changing reality of the world of work. I will focus on what this means for workers and workers' organizations. Therefore, I will address, first of all, the main drivers of change, that is, globalization, technological, demographic, and environmental changes. Afterwards, I will reflect on how these changes impact on the world of work in mainly four domains, that is, work and society, decent work, changing patterns of production and work, and the governance of work. Overall democracy starts with democracy at the workplace. Recognize the complex environment for trade unions to work in, and trade unions have to renew to stay relevant and powerful. Let me start by addressing four main drivers of change of the world of work. First, globalization has profoundly transformed the world economy. National economies are much more interconnected to trade and investment flows and the development of global supply chains. This has huge implications for how work and production are organized both in developed and developing countries. While this has been an important driver for economic growth, technology transfer, economic upgrading and skills development, the benefits of greater openness to trade have not been shared equally. In other words, who are the winners and who are the losers? The second driver is technological change. Innovations in information technology, robotics, and more recently, machine learning is substantially restructuring production and affecting jobs. This creates enormous opportunities, but it also raises questions with regard to working conditions and the nature of work itself. Think of the impact of automation for employment, for instance, for clerical jobs or logistics, but also the creation of new jobs in data analysis, content cleaning, or gaming. Not only low, but also middle-skilled jobs, which traditionally were associated with standard employment and high unionization, are at risk. It also changes the nature of jobs, stressing the need to invest in the capacity of the workforce to adjust to new technologies, and also address challenges as data protection or surveillance at work. The flexibility of the gig or the platform economy can be